In today's session, we'll be discussing about speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So, talking about this speaking test, okay. So, the speaking test usually, like some of the students do not have the confidence to face the examinations regarding this speaking test, right? So, like you can, practice a lot, but besides that, also you can, see over here in the display. You can watch the video out here, because you see, like, you can go YouTube, and there are a number of, the speaking modules videos. Like, let's see. If you are really interested to watch our video, you can, just search Arya Academy. Okay. There are a number of videos, you can see over here. You can see the life skill A1 videos, even the IELTS videos. Let's see. Okay. You can write like search in this way. IELTS. Okay. Okay, you can watch the video. Now you can see the video. There are a number of videos regarding the speaking module. So, and further details, if you have some more queries, particularly regarding this speaking test, we will provide you the tips and tricks, okay, the way to build up your confident power. We will also provide you a number of mock tests where you'll be able to speak well, even in front of the examiner. So for that, you need a lot of practice. We'll provide you the, like the suitable atmosphere out here in Arya Academy, and we'll guide you individually, and we'll also take the mock test individually. So whatever the queries that you have, you can come and talk to us. Thank you very much.